Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make veg cookies at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, a sweetener like sugar or maple syrup, and a healthy oil. Don't forget your chosen vegetables, perhaps finely grated carrots or pureed spinach. We'll also use baking powder for lift, a dash of vanilla extract for flavor, and a small amount of salt to balance the sweetness. Having your mixing bowls and baking sheets ready will make the process smooth. Now, let's get those vegetables ready and start mixing our dough. Begin by finely grating or pureeing your chosen vegetables. This ensures they blend seamlessly into the cookies. In one bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, including the oil, sweetener, and vanilla. In another, combine the dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, folding until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, so be gentle. It's time to form and bake our delicious veg cookies. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a consistent baking temperature. Using a spoon or a small ice cream scoop, drop rounded portions of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave approximately 2 inches of space between each cookie to allow for proper spreading. Bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges turn a lovely golden brown. Once your cookies are out of the oven, the final steps are crucial for perfect texture. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before moving. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents the bottoms from getting soggy. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Now, you can enjoy your delightful and wholesome homemade vegetable cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.